ating salad. Inilalagay na natin ang ating walnuts. Yan, a yummy and a healthy salad with different kind of fruits. There is avocado, apple, pear, and blueberry. Yan. Ang sarap. At sa toppings po ay lalagyan natin siya ng Parmesan cheese. Yan po. Ito ang ating salad for today. A healthy and a yummy salad. Recipe by Bossing Jasim Almutawa. Yan po. Yan. Lagyan pa natin ng Parmesan. At ito po ang kanyang sauce. Meron tayong balsamic, may mustard, mayroong pomegranate